Alright fam, so today I'm picking up from UPS's ARC. It's at a shopping center. The ARC is not here yet, so just gonna sit here and wait, I guess. I guess they're a little bit behind today. So today's temperature will be 50 degrees at 2 p.m. But at 7 p.m. it's gonna be negative 20. Let me repeat. At 2 p.m. it's 50 degrees. But at 7 p.m. if you count the wind chill, it's gonna be negative 20 degrees Fahrenheit. Yeah. So I got 3 layers on today. I got my thermal, I got my sweater, got my Arctic parka on, and I don't have a ski mask with me today, but I do have a beanie, so hopefully that helps. It was still out delivering at 7 p.m. All right, fam, follow me on my journey. Let's go, UPS PVD, baby. All right, fam, I think the ARC is here. Let's drive over there. He's behind me. Let's get it. Be super careful when you back up. I do have backup camera, but you still gotta look 360 degrees, I guess. Let's go to the PVD. Go to the ARC, huh? So the ARC is usually like a U-Haul or UPS brown truck. Alright, it's a U-Haul today, fam. In this parking lot, supermarket parking lot. Day in the life of a UPS PVD, fam. Follow me on my journey. Let's get it. Let's go. Whoop, there it is. There's the ARC, fam. Let's get down to business, huh? Let's get it. Let's go. Water main break, fam. Water main break. Is that what it is? I don't know. It's not a water main break. All this is gonna turn to ice tonight, fam. It's gonna be negative 20 in a few hours. All of this is gonna turn into ice tonight. Yikes. Crazy, crazy. All right, we had to drive 10 miles back to the second delivery. Mid-sort today, fam. First one was in Nevada, second one's in Lohi. Let's go. It's gonna be 50 degrees at 2 p.m. At 7 p.m, negative 20. 70-degree temperature swing. Isn't that crazy? All right, fam, just got done with the first half. Go back to the ARC, load up the second half, deliver some more packages. Dead and alive of the UPS PVD. Let's go. All right, it's starting to get windy, but the cold front is not here yet. In about 3 hours, it's gonna be in the negatives, fam. In about a couple hours, it's gonna be in the negatives. So, I know I said this earlier, but yeah. We go from 50 degrees to negative 20 in like 8 hours. 50 degrees to negative 20. One of the craziest temperature swing I've ever experienced. Yeah. Might have to put on a ski mask. Ski mask, fam. Three layers, fam. Thermal, sweater, and my parker. Oh yeah, the winds are kicking in, fam. cold front is rolling in. Oh man. It's about -10 right now. -10, fam. Woo! Yes, sir. All right, fam, it is 6 p.m. We still got 15 more stops to go. These are extras. These are build manifest. These one are like 10 miles away from Lohi. It is super cold right now. My nose been running for like, oh man, 2 hours now. Yeah, like 1 or 2 hours later, it's gonna be -20, fam. Right now, temperature says it feels like 14, but it felt like negative already. Yeah. The wind's been blowing like crazy. So 2 more hours, it might be -15 or 20 degrees. Yeah. I don't have my ski mask today, but man, yeah, rough day to go delivery, put it that way. All right, fam, last 14 and we'll be done. Let's go. Got 3 deliveries in this apartment. We got like 10 left, fam. Probably another 1 hour. They're all like spread out. All right, let's get it. Woo! It's getting cold, fam. Super cold right now. All right, fam, we have 2 to return. Oh, been a long day. So today I drove like 59 miles in 10 hours. I am starving. I ate like 6 hours ago and I'm still starving. Gonna meet him up at the McDonald's, fam. Starving, fam. I ate like a 2 or something. 1, I don't know. Been a long day. Really cold, man. With the wind chill right now, it's like about -15 with the wind chill. Woo. So just to recap, today we pick up an ARC, a UPS ARC. I loaded twice or 3 times or something, and I pick up some more missed loads. The missed loads are like out of my area. It's like 8 miles away in Nevada. My route was in Lohi, Denver, and then the missed loads were in Nevada. Now we're in yeah, I was saying my route was like 75 packages in Lohi, and then the missed loads are in Nevada. Yeah. It's so cold right now. Ain't no joke, man. See that? Feels like -17. 4 hours ago it was like 45 degrees or something. It was 55 or 50 during the day at 2 p.m. Right now with the wind chill, -17. Yikes! All right, so today I worked like 10 hour-ish. What is it, 10:30 or 10:45 to 8:45? 10 hours minus the lunch break. Drove 59 miles. Yeah, it's pretty challenging, man. I bought a ski mask a couple of days ago, but it's not gonna arrive till tonight. Yeah, man, if you're walking out in the cold and yeah, you're like, my nose is numb, you know, without the ski mask. Yeah, it's no joke. I don't recommend working in these conditions, man. But anyway, that's what it's like to deliver in the blizzard, fam. In the, what do you call this? Siberian Express or something. Yeah. See you guys on the next one. Happy holidays. Merry Christmas. Peace.